Hi, I'm Dr. J. Thomas Carroll, and welcome to today's Dentistry. With offices in Galveston and League City, we can service any of your dental needs. Our dental assistants have an average of over 17 years of experience, so you'll find yourself in great and caring hands. Because we have the experience and the latest in dental technology, like paperless charts, digital x-rays, Zoom whitening, and so many other exciting products, you can receive top quality dentistry at affordable prices. Hi, Megan.
Hi, Dr. Carroll.
With modern sterilization techniques, you can be assured that your dental visit will be most secure and comfortable. And if you're nervous about getting your teeth fixed, we can help you with the latest in sedation dentistry. We can offer doing your dentistry with light medication, or we can put you to sleep completely as we are certified in IV sedation. If your dental needs are a simple cosmetic makeover, or if faced with limited abilities to properly chew your food due to missing teeth or jawbone deterioration, with our 25 years of advanced surgical experience in implant dentistry, we can meet all your dental needs.